today I'm going to review for you a product which I am currently obsessed with. It's perfect for summers and monsoons as it's really light on the skin, and it is the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist. It looks like this. It retails for Rs 350 for 50 ml of product. It does come in a bigger size as well, but just to try out I got the smaller size. Next time I'm definitely going to get the bigger size, that is after I run out of this one. I'm going to read out what it says. Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist with green tea and green complex, enriched with green tea and green complex from pure Jeju Island. Green tea pure revives dry, stressed skin by supplying abundant moisture. So its packaging looks like this. I'm going to put in the demo right now so you can clearly see the packaging and what it does to the skin. So this is what the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist bottle looks like, and it has a really nice pump which is really smooth to use. You don't have to press it again and again, you just have to press down the nozzle once and it just dispenses the right amount of product. The packaging is really handy as well, and you can easily travel with it. It does come in two sizes. I have the smaller size, which is perfect, as I said, for traveling. I recently did travel with it, so I can say that it's easily travel friendly. So this is my face without any makeup or anything of all sorts. I'm going to use this mineral mist and you're going to see what sort of a glow it gives to my skin. I'm just going to shake it first a little bit, and then from a distance I'm going to spritz it all over my face. And then I'm just gonna let this soak into my skin. I'm gonna fan with my hands. So this is what my skin looks like after it has absorbed all of this green tea mineral mist. It looks much more dewy and I feel much more hydrated. It's not sticky or heavy on the skin, which is a big yay. So now that you've seen the demo, you know why I love it. It makes your skin so much luminous and dewy. It gives your skin such a nice glow without being heavy on your skin. I use this in Delhi heat as well as in Mumbai humidity, and it passed the test in both the places. It is so good for both dry skin people and oily skin people. I have pretty normal skin, so the way I use it, I come out of the shower and I just spritz it all over my face, and after doing that I do not feel the need to use a moisturizer because it is so hydrating. I feel so nice after applying this. It has a really mild fragrance which refreshes your face so perfectly, and it's perfect for summers because it's not very heavy on the fragrance aspect of it as well, so it won't give you a migraine or anything of that sort. And as I said, it is perfect for humidity as well because you're not applying something which is sitting on your face and it feels really heavy as well. This gets absorbed into the skin so quickly, and it makes your skin feel so much more, you know, softer and smoother. It doesn't sit on your face for a real long time, and because this is a spray foam, it's really light and easy to use as well. You don't have to like take out, you know, dip your fingers into the product or anything, or you don't have to take out into a cotton pad and then apply it onto your face. This is so much more easier to apply, just like directly like I showed you in the demo, and it instantly makes your skin the most luminous thing ever. I used this on my mom as well, and she loved it as well. She has a bit oilier skin. Because it says it's especially for like dry, stressed skin, I thought I should also use it on someone who has oilier skin just to see how it fares, and she loved it as well. We both did not feel the need to use a moisturizer, which is great because it just hydrates your skin so well. It doesn't only give you the moisture, but it also hydrates it. So it provided both of us with perfect moisturization and hydration. I highly recommend this product for the monsoon and the heat season because of the fact it's not gonna sit on your face really heavy, it's not gonna make you sweaty, it's gonna get absorbed and make your skin soft and luminous and dewy and all those good things. So yes, this was my review for the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist. I don't have much to say about it other than the fact that I love it. It is such a nice product. I highly recommend it to everyone. Everyone out there should go and grab this baby. It's just for 350 rupees. It is really affordable, and I love it. Everyone should have it in their kitty, and if you haven't gotten up to buy this by now, what are you doing? Get up, go and get this one. Innisfree is available in Delhi in Khan Market Promenade, and I guess there was another store but I forgot about it. So yes, it is available online. I think you can get Innisfree from MSM Box or Fab Bag. Like, you can go to their e-shops and get this from there. Otherwise, Innisfree's green tea mineral mist is a must-have. I will be reviewing their sheet mask soon for you guys as well, but as of now I have the review of this mineral mist and I love it to bits. And yes, that is all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and it was helpful for you, because this is something that is perfect for the season that is going on right now. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media would be linked in the bottom bar, along with an address where you can send me letters and things. And I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.